I've got this rusty old garden bench that just needs a bit of love. So we're going to clean it up, protect the wood and use a metal sealant. It's super easy.
First up, use a wire brush to take off any flaky paint or rust. It's handy to get into the fiddly areas. Clean up with soap and water, rinse and let dry. To finish off the metal, apply a sealer. I've got something UV resistant that's fast drying and great for the outdoors. And because the timber is looking a little tired, we're going to give it a good clean up with a light sand. And apply some organ oil to protect and restore the timber.
Look at that, good as new while retaining its old world charm.